This tutorial is going to cover collection strategies during and resulting from the current economic downturn. As trade creditors, we're in a difficult time. Our customers are in a difficult time. So the question is, how do we deal with collections as we face this really unprecedented impact of the coronavirus pandemic? We need to consider a number of things to take appropriate actions. We have to keep our eyes both on the short-term and the long-term game. As trade creditors, the approach we take has to be informed. We have to understand what's going on with our customers, what's going on in the customer's industry, what our own company's requirements are. We have to be realistic. We have to consider the impact of the actions we take today on the long-term business relationships with our customers. What I suggest is that you approach this through what I call the 5 C's of collections during this uncertain time.